Mihang'o ya Arigitani kaunti-ini ya Mombasa ironekana gukorwo iri hatikaini ya gutharara ona makiria muthutha wa gufutwo kwa Arigitani 46 aria makoragwo rungu rwa ngwataniro ya KMPDU. Arunao aria marutaga wira thibitari-ini cia andu kiumbe kaunti-ini ino ni maheanite mukana wa kunyitanira na arunao aria mafutirwo kwigamira thi kwanjiriria muthenya wa rucio, na gikorwo undu uyu ni ugakinyanira arwaru maya gwikora hatikaini kwanjiriria rucio. Ruhonge rwa KMPDU kugerera mwandiki munene Chibanzi Mwachonda hindi ya kuheana notithi ya mugomo ucio roigire kiuno kiambiriria gia gutharara kwa motungata ma Arigitani angikorwo thirikari cia kaunti citi kuhingiria Arigitani mendekithia mao.
So if you think you're safe because you have access to private practitioners, we treat you. We will not treat you, so that you also feel the pinch of the common mwananchi. And that way, you will come to the table and resolve the matters that you have put forth as a union in this country.
Bururi ukoretwo thingithitio ni mugomo wa maabitha Arigitani kiro-ini citiganite aria makoretwo magiteta ni thirikari cia kaunti kwaga kumahingiria mabataro mao. Mugomo wa ica ikuhi ari wa maabitha gikiro gia clinical officers aria macokeririe mugomo wao thutha wa kanjo ya magavana kuonania uhoteteku wa kwaga kurutithia wira ngirimiti iria maiguithanirie na maabitha acio.
Government of Kenya is committed at the national level to resolve these issues. So Council of Governors and county governments cannot come and throw water to a process they were participated in. There's only one source of money. It's a national treasury, and we all know that. So that's where the commitment is coming from. And that is where the funding will come to resolve all the issues.
Maya magithiaga nambere umuthi thirikari ya kaunti ya Mombasa kugerera minister wa ugima wa mwiri kaunti-ini ya Nyongesa nato ni muritie Arigitani aria makoretwo maigite mirothi gucokereria wira kuria meteteire na kuga ni mahingite mamwe ma mendekithia maria macungiririe mugomo ucio.
Up to now, a total of 135 medical officers have been promoted in line with an agreed formula, which we have agreed on how we will promote them going forward.
Wegi Arigitani acio gukorwo maigitwo mubango-ini wa NHIF nota oigite Arigitani acio mari mubango-ini ucio riri kuri na mubango wa gukuruhania nginyagia aria mari na kandarathi cia ihinda rinini.
And in our discussion we thought that we have explained our situation well and informed them that the issue of payment of statutory deductions is a priority to us, and we commit ourselves to settle all of them in the nearest possible time frame.
Na riri ruhonge rwa Arigitani ruthiete na mbere na guthingitha na momaruru ma murimu wa COVID-19 guku bururi-ini no marathie na mbere na gwakiriria. Na ihinda-ini ria mathaa 24 ithabu ria arwaru a murimu wa COVID-19 no rithiete na mbere na kwambatira thutha wa andu angi 87 kuonekana na murimu ucio. Namba ya arwaru riu ikirugamira andu 98,271. Andu angi 6 ni mekiritwo mukonde gukorwo makuite kumana na murimu ucio. Ithabu ria aria makuite rikirugamira andu 1,710. Ona gukiri uguo andu angi 67 ni mahonete. Namba ya aria honu ikirugamira andu 80,875. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV getwo Waithira wa Kihara.